Yeah, hi, I'm Joey with the K, and this is gonna be my friend Trip Garage mini videos. I'm gonna post all over, don't really know what I'm doing. I've been doing some YouTube, but I don't like editing long form videos. I'm sorry, I got ADHD issues and there's a lot of road traffic here. But we got the I suck at beers. Pink and purple flatbed Duramax. It's got issues for another video. Back here, no, back there in the backyard we have two Jeeps, 89 Grand Wagoneer and a 74 CJ6. I'll be making videos on all this stuff. Nice quick little intro. We have a 74 Honda CB750 that hasn't been driven since about 79. That one's not mine, but it's my daily driver right now until I fix you. And we have a camper over here that's going to be my temporary home. But yeah, got a lot of big plans. We'll talk about those in other videos. I just want to get this started. I have a lot of short videos I just went through that I can probably add to this. Oh, fuck, cold out here. So I'm gonna end this video, get the truck moved. It's broken right now, and then I'll start making more videos. So yeah, peace out.